Okay, we're gonna need these. We are at Ringing Rocks State Park in lovely Bucks County, Pennsylvania. And we're going to a geological mystery where the rocks ring when you hit them with hammers or rocks or other things, so we'll check it out. Okay, we're approaching Ringing Rocks Park here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. And what the deal is here is this outcropping of rocks that shows up in the woods, and it's kind of a geological mystery in that if you strike these rocks with a hammer or another rock, certain rocks are said to have the tonal qualities of a bell. Now scientists are a little baffled by this, and they quite can't understand why these rocks ring, but they think it's because of a polarized molecular structure that's dense in iron ore. Another phenomenon about this place is that nothing's growing in the leaf litter. Typically you'd have growth just like all these trees are growing in these woods around rocks. There's plenty of rocks around. Trees are growing. But this particular outcropping of rocks, nothing's growing. I think it's just about time to break out the hammers. They definitely have a different color. And it's quite a windy day here in late March. All right, here we are. Let's break out some hammers.
Look at this.
Okay, here we go. Going in. You could easily break an ankle in here. Look at where people have been pounding. There's like so many pound spots. I guess where you find a big... Oh, here we got one. That's pretty bizarre. It's like the moon.
I wonder if I have cell service. I gotta take these off.
Take what off?
I can't jump around on
Some ring and some don't. Go figure. It's like dangerous walking around in here. Definitely gonna turn an ankle. They say that there's a special rock in here that rings like a big bell. That sounds hollow. Here's one that has quite a peculiar sound. Look at all the spots from people banging on them. Some ring and some don't. Look at the spots all over these. Almost like fossilized. That one's got a nice tone. Of course, you've got your graffiti. Kevin was here. Sean and Leica were here too. I think they're in love. Now this one's been pounded on. Look at the hole in here. You can actually smell rocks, I guess, from people pounding on them. Oh, here's a nice one. That's a good one. So this is Ringing Rocks Park. Wow. It's amazing. Where's that one that sounds like a big bell?
What?
I want to find the one that sounds like a big bell. I'm liking the way that one looks right there. This rock cropping goes down pretty far down there. There's quite a couple different tones in here. That one's got some sustain on that. Interesting. I want to hear this big one over here. I bet you it does nothing. Wow! Wow, look at this one. Whoa! 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 This might be the ringiest one yet. Listen to the sustain on that puppy. And look at this one over here. Show you there's no rhyme or reason to it. Obviously this was the same rock at some point and it split. You could see the split. It's the same rock. This one really has no sound. This one does. Pretty wild. This one sounds pretty good. Here's another really good one. This one right here. Whoa! This one's very loud. A couple more good ones. That's real sharp. Wow. Look at this. Like something eroded. I don't know what it is. Something definitely eroded this away and it ran through.
I can't. There you go.